Want to fix your WhatsApp microphone not working on iPhone? First, leave WhatsApp and open the Settings app. Scroll down alphabetically to WhatsApp and tap it. Enable microphone access. If the microphone toggle is grayed out, that means a restriction is blocking changes. Go back to the main settings screen, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to Microphone and either turn off the restriction entirely or allow changes for the microphone. You will need the screen time passcode if one was set. If you don't know it, ask whoever configured it to enter it for you. Once the restriction is cleared, return to WhatsApp and enable the microphone. If it still does not work, perform a force restart to clear any temporary software glitch by pressing volume up, then volume down, and holding the /power button until the Apple logo appears. After the phone boots back up, open WhatsApp again and test the microphone. If the issue persists, make sure WhatsApp and iOS are both up to date, and consider reinstalling WhatsApp as a last resort. If this helped you, tap like, share your troubleshooting tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick fixes.